have a budding entrepreneur amongst us who's a hotelier. His name is Jahaan Khurana. It's a pleasure to have you, Jahaan.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
So, Jahaan, if you could tell us a little about your restaurant journey, your hotel journey.
Sure. So we've been into restaurant business since 10 years now, and I'm here for the latest innovation of ours called the rolling plate. And that is one revolutionary business we have launched. It's a startup though, but yes, going very good. It's a cloud kitchen concept, first time ever in India, and people are liking it. So yeah.
Wish you all the best for your journey.
Thank
So,
you.
what are your expectations from National Business Achievers Awards today?
See, we always look forward to these kind of recognitions, because this is how people know each other. This is how people will understand that, you know, what kind of things are going on in the market. There's so many viewers of this show, and we want everybody to understand that this is one concept where anybody can get into association with us and be successful.
And it definitely adds value
Yeah.
to the profile also.
Of course. That is a plus.
So, do you think these kinds of business networking platforms are really important for businesses to grow and the budding entrepreneur especially?
Yes, why not? Because this is how it's a digital kind of a platform going on already. We are in a transition, and people are watching TV, news, YouTube, social media. So why not? I mean, these kind of things will only give them empower.
My dear friends and sisters, today I am also very happy to participate in this very important function. Our Narendra Modi ji, the Prime Minister of India, is also supporting all the business people. Without business, there is no employment. If there is no employment, there is no development. Our organizer, Mr. Mustafa Ahmad Khan, your name is Mustafa Ahmad Khan, and therefore you are my Jahaan. आप बढ़ा रहे बिजनेसमैन की शान, आप बढ़ा रहे बिजनेसमैन की शान, इसीलिए मैं हूँ आपका फैन।